Hi, Logan here with the CloudSpot team. CloudSpot just launched a brand new feature called Social Site, and I am going to give you a walkthrough of how to set it up, what it is, and how it can help your business grow. So, first thing, what is Social Site? It is a link in bio that actually looks like you. It is branded, it has a photo first design, no website needed. You can see what people actually click through analytics, and it is built right into your CloudSpot account. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes of your time to set up, and that is what I'm going to walk you through today. So let's go ahead and click over on Social Site on the left-hand side here. When you click on Social Site, this is what you will see at first. So we're going to walk through part of the setup together, and then you'll be able to adjust everything after this initial setup process. So go ahead and click Get Started. From here, you're going to enter your name and add your profile picture. Hit Continue. Now we're going to add in some of our main links. So I'm just going to add Instagram, Facebook, and my email. I've got these all on the side just so I can copy and paste them quickly. So that way you guys aren't watching me type the entire time. All right, once I have those in, I'm going to hit continue. On this part, you can go ahead and add some of this stuff now. You can always add more or adjust them as needed once you get through this initial process. So let's go ahead and just add a lead form for now so I can show you what it looks like. I have my lead form set up in CloudSpot, so it's showing the two that I have set up. I'm going to hit family lead form and click continue. Let's go ahead and add the portfolio as well and my scheduling site. So I have family sessions through my scheduling site. And you know what? Let's go ahead and just do mini sessions as well. So I've got one mini session, which is Lake Michigan Beach Minis, and I'm going to hit continue. All right, so once you add in some of your links, hit that button. It'll show you what links you have. I'm going to add more links later so I can show you guys how to do that. So all I need to do now is complete your social site. All right. So this is a page that when you click on social site from now on, once you've done that initial setup process, this is what you will see. So from this page, there are so many things that you can add, adjust, and create to make it a truly branded experience. We're going to go ahead and start with style up here and just go down the list. So this is where you can set your colors. You can change these different layouts. We have more coming soon. This one right here is my favorite, so I'm going to go ahead and stick with this one. And then I'm going to grab one of my brand colors and change it out for this pink color right here. All right. Let's adjust the font. You can truly make this match your brand fairly well. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with all of that and make sure you click Save Changes. All right, so once it's saved, I'm going to hit the back button and go to my profile. So on my introduction, I am going to add, let's see, just a little blurb about, hey, I'm excited you're here. Whether you're here to book or browse, I'm glad you're here. Let's add a profile photo, adjust the photo, and save. And then this secondary photo is going to show up here at the top. And you can kind of play around with this and see what works best. Some photos might not fit the best, so you might need to play with a few before you figure out what works. I like that one. It shows my camera, shows my computer, so I'm going to go ahead and stick with that one. And of course, save changes. Once it saves, then you can go ahead and hit that back button to continue working. All right, success, profile saved successfully. Go ahead and hit back. Let's go to social links. I already filled all these out. I don't need to add any more, but if you want to add more, or if you start using TikTok or Pinterest, whatnot, you can just click that social link button and add those as needed. Let's hit back and content block. Okay, this is what shows up at the bottom. So if I scroll down here, it's going to show me kind of some inspiration of what you can have. I'm going to go ahead and turn this feature on. And then down here, I want to add a little about me. So I already have this typed out. Like I said, I don't want to make you guys watch me type the entire time. So I just have a little blurb about me. And then I'm going to add another photo in as well to show. I don't like how that one's formatted. So again, I'm going to switch it up to something else. Let's see. All right, so I found a photo that fits well within that block. I also really want to add this call to action button because reviews, as we all know, are a huge part of building trust and a client base. So I'm going to add in my Google review link right here. Okay, so I've got all of that in about me, my description, fix that error, and click Save Changes. You'll see that button pop up at the bottom to leave a review. Okay, now what I want to go back and do now is add pictures to all of these because I'm a very visual person. While I love that it says contact me, view my portfolio, book a service, all of that, I want to edit that a little bit to be more on brand. So for view my portfolio, I'm going to click add image and let's see here. Got all of my favorites right here. I'm going to go ahead and put a picture there, book a service. That is for my family sessions. Book a session. So that is for my Lake Michigan sessions. So let's find, I don't know if I have any of those saved to my computer right now. So we'll add that. So as you can see, it's more eye-catching with those photos in there. So I love that we allow that. I also want to show you, save changes first. I also want to show you how you can go back and forth between styles. So once this is saved, I'm going to go up here and click on style. Just wait a second. And you can flip back and forth between all of the different templates, which I absolutely love. You don't have to re-enter anything. So if I click on style and I decide that I want this one instead, or this one instead, it's going to autofill that with what I have. Now I might need to make a few changes, like this contact me one doesn't have a photo yet, or adjust how this looks or add in that big block right there. But for the most part, it saves what you've already done so you can go back and forth between these templates. Okay, so because I added these links in at the very beginning when I was setting everything up, it chose the wording for me. So on this one, I am going to keep view my portfolio. That one's totally fine. This one's going to my scheduling site. So instead of book a service, I want to put book a family session because it's going directly to my family session scheduling site. Okay, and then for this one, Lake Michigan minis. Add that there. Let's add contact me. So this contact me one, it goes directly to my lead form within CloudSpot. So when someone fills that out, I'll get a notification over here saying that I have a lead. All right, now if you decide that you want to add more links, you can easily do that by clicking add new link. You can pick from any of these, or you can just click other link and enter the display text, the URL, image. You can also turn this on if you don't have an image that you want to use. Go ahead and put this there and then turn that on, and then you can pick any of these icons here just as another option. I absolutely love the photos, so I'm going to keep those on mine. All right, so when I click Save Changes, I'm then going to go down to this analytics part. Now, this is going to show up obviously once you start using it. But what I love is that it will show me exactly how many people have used this link and filled out a lead form, how many people have booked from my scheduling site from the link, and then how many people have booked mini sessions from these links. Taking it one step further, we want you to know where your leads are coming from. If they're coming from Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, wherever it might be, we want you to be able to see how many clicks each social site is getting or each page is getting. So it will actually show you how many are from Instagram, how many from TikTok, Facebook, and so on. The way that we do that is up here on this trackable link. If you click that, these are all specific links. Like the Instagram one is specifically for Instagram. So you put that in there, and then whoever clicks on your links from there, that data will be tracked under your analytics. Same for TikTok, Facebook. So make sure that when you're sharing these links, you're not just using one general one. You want to be able to see how many people are coming from Instagram, how many people are coming from TikTok or Facebook. That way you can figure out what is working for your marketing and focus on that channel. All right. I think that is it. Once you grab the link, I can kind of show you what it looks like in the browser. Obviously, it's going to look a lot better on mobile, but this is what it looks like when you share it. So I hope you guys are excited. I am beyond excited to start sharing my link and get it out. I think this looks a million times better than what I've used in the past. I don't know about you, but I either forget to update my link and there's like mini sessions from 2024 Christmas, or there's just nothing there. So, this is a super easy way to get it set up, have people see that they can contact you or view your portfolio right away without scrolling through your website or just clicking a general link in bio that's not branded to you. So, I hope you guys love this feature as much as we do. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to the CloudSpot team. We are always here to help. You can reach us at the bottom of the screen. There is a chat bubble. Once you click on that, you'll be directed to our customer success team. I hope you all have a great day.